Ever wondered what happens when supercars fail? It's not always a pretty sight. Supercars, those irresistible chariots of speed and luxury, are as much about power as they are about peril. Driving these high-performance vehicles comes with its share of risks. Today, we're exploring the thrilling yet dangerous world of supercars through various incidents and failures, all caught on dashcams. From mechanical misadventures to human errors, these stunning machines sometimes meet unfortunate ends. Prepare yourself for a wild ride as we delve into the world of supercar fails. First, we take a look at mechanical failures. They're more common than you might think. As we delve into the world of supercars, we begin to see that even these high-performance machines can succumb to mechanical malfunctions. Engine failures, often considered the heart of these beasts, can be catastrophic. Picture a McLaren's engine sputtering out, leaving the driver stranded in the fast lane. Then there are tire blowouts. Imagine a Lamborghini's tire bursting at high speed, the car skidding uncontrollably, causing a spectacle that is as terrifying as it is mesmerizing. And let's not forget the Ferraris. These Italian masterpieces, known for their speed and elegance, are not exempt from mechanical hiccups. From power steering problems to brake failures, these issues can turn these dream machines into nightmares within seconds. These incidents remind us that even the most luxurious cars, with their cutting-edge technology and design, can fall prey to mechanical issues. As you can see, even the most advanced supercars aren't immune to mechanical issues. Now, let's shift gears and examine the human element. Often, the cause behind these fails isn't mechanical, but driver error. Our roads are littered with incidents where human errors have led to catastrophic results. Reckless driving, for example, can transform a supercar into a super disaster in a blink of an eye. The adrenaline rush and the thrill of speed often make drivers forget that they are not on a racetrack, but on a public road with other users. Dangerous overtaking is another common mistake. The power of a supercar can tempt drivers to overtake in situations where it's simply not safe. The result? Crumpled carbon fiber and shattered dreams. And then there's the classic disregard for traffic signals. Red lights, stop signs, zebra crossings, they're all there for a reason. Ignoring them can lead to devastating accidents, causing significant damage to luxury cars like Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and McLarens. These incidents serve as a stark reminder of the importance of safe, attentive driving. So what can we learn from these supercar fails? It's crystal clear that the power of supercars can be a double-edged sword. While they offer exhilarating speed and performance, they also present unique challenges. Even a minor lapse in judgment, a disregard for traffic rules, or a lack of awareness about road conditions can lead to catastrophic consequences. These high-performance vehicles demand an equal measure of responsibility. Remember, no matter how powerful or expensive your car might be, safety should always be your top priority on the road.